assessment, you can have your own sensory table at home. You just need a container, some rice, a spoon, and a cup. It can be any kind of cup. It can be a metal cup, a plastic cup, plastic spoon, anything you'd like to use at home. You can use a colander, you can use anything. Today I have some rice. It is colored, but you can use a plain colored rice. Pour it into a container. Just have a little bit right now to show you. You can use your hand and scoop it up and put it in the container. How much can you fill up? How much can you put back on the spoon? Can you feel it in your hands? If you're going to drop it back in, put your hand inside so it doesn't make a mess all over the floor. Can you put your hand through it? What does it feel like? Is it hard? Is it soft? Is it rough? Is it crumbly? What does it feel like? Does it feel good in your hands? Can it run through your fingers? Explore. Make a new discovery. What do you think? See you later. Bye.